Alright, here we're going to use the Homtone premium espresso machine to make us some coffee drinks. I'm going to use a double shot. Going to add about 18 grams of coffee for the double shot. Just distributing that into our basket. These tools are just to make sure that it's evenly distributed and we get an even brew. Alright, let's go ahead and tamp that down. Okay. Gently install. And we'll press our double shot button. It's looking great. Beautiful golden and brown colors. We'll stop that just short of 25 seconds for these beans. We're making an iced coconut milk latte. Alright, here we have a double shot of espresso. And finally, our coconut milk. Here we're making an iced orange juice Americano. We have a cup of ice, some fresh orange juice, a double shot of espresso, and let's top it off with just a couple slices of fresh orange. Purge out any water from our steam wand. Now we'll position our steam wand 40 degrees. And then we'll position it into our pitcher here. We've introduced some air. Now we're just letting it swirl to texture it. We're looking for this to be a little bit almost too hot to touch and to bring a nice silky texture. Now with oat milk, it's recommended to allow it to rest about 20 seconds before pouring it, to allow the microfoam to form. In the meantime, we can purge our wand to make sure that we get any milk residue out.